creating a visually appealing website for free using Google Sites is easier than you might think. Let me guide you through the process. Firstly, open your internet browser and navigate to google.com. Search for Google Sites and click on the first link that appears. Once on the Google Sites page, sign in with your Gmail account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Sites dashboard. Here, you can start a site from scratch or choose from a variety of templates. Explore the available templates for different purposes such as work, education, or small businesses. You can also find portfolio templates for a more creative touch. Select a template that suits your needs and start customizing it. You can easily edit text, replace images, and add new elements to your site. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click on Publish, give your website a name, choose your visibility settings, and hit Publish again. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning website using Google Sites. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.